Ow! Off you! Got a rifle? Clear it.
Ow!
Squeeze it. Hang on.
What a way to go home, huh? Ow! God!
Where's his bag? Grab his bag, take it out, Honor. Let's go, hurry up! Have we got word back to blood circulating? I don't see about the other.
They got a smoke grenade out there?
The biggest single difference between the war which the French lost in Vietnam and the war which the Americans are busy fighting is the factor of air power. French air power was negligible. American air power is overwhelming. It's true, of course, that the Viet Cong could do a lot of damage to the Da Nang base by a sneak mortar attack close in. But any major movement of troops would almost inevitably be detected and hammered to pieces by American jets like the Marine Phantoms, the hottest operational aircraft in the world.
Aircraft on an I-4 strike interdiction mission. Your forward air controller is going to be Pink Panther on primary frequency 236.6 with a secondary frequency of 275.8. Your targets for today, gentlemen, are in the south of the Da Nang area. We've got 4 VC battalions located at the following coordinates: Bravo Sierra 437-960 and Bravo Sierra 400-957. Your time on station will be 14:25 local for your rendezvous, and your time on target will be 14:30. Your ordnance load for this afternoon will be 6 500-pound GPs, 2 1,000-pound fire bombs, and 4 pods of either Zuni rockets or 2 75-inch folding fin rockets. Your forward air controller will mark all targets and will call for the type ordnance desired on each target.